Hello, today we will guide you through how to change password on Trading 212. Keeping your account secure starts with a strong, up-to-date password, and in the next couple of minutes we'll walk you through the exact places to click and what to expect along the way. Begin by opening Trading 212 in your browser or launching the app. You'll need to be on your account dashboard to proceed. Once you're in, look toward the top of the screen for the icon with 3 horizontal lines. This is the main menu, sometimes called the hamburger icon. Click or tap it to open up the full navigation panel. With the menu expanded, scroll down through the options until you see Settings. Menus can be long, especially if you have multiple account features enabled, so take your time and keep scrolling until Settings appears. Select Settings to enter the area where you manage preferences and account controls. Inside Settings, choose Privacy and Security. This section contains the tools that protect your account, including sign-in details. On the Privacy and Security page, locate and select Change Password. That will open a simple form with fields for your current password and your new one. First, enter your current password exactly as you use it today. This verification step confirms it's really you making the change. If something doesn't seem to work, check for caps lock or stray spaces. Next, enter your new password. For the best protection, use a unique password you haven't used on other services. Aim for a long passphrase or a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid personal info or simple patterns. Many platforms require the new password to meet certain criteria and to be typed the same way in both the new and confirmed fields, so make sure they match before moving on. When everything looks good, select Save to apply the change. The app may briefly process your request and then confirm that your password has been updated. After saving, remember that some devices or sessions may ask you to sign in again using the new password. That's normal and helps keep your account secure. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to the right menu, opened Privacy and Security, changed your password, and saved the update. Keeping a strong, memorable password and reviewing it periodically is a smart habit that adds an extra layer of safety to your investing. Thanks for following along, and feel free to replay any section if you'd like to review the steps.